Welcome to the second video on Naukri tutorial. So the first video we talked about the few things, important things that Naukri has and what are the things you have to do in changes. In this video we are going to talk about the very important aspects or section that you have to update to make sure that the recruiter is able to view your profile and the recruiter is catching the recruiter's eye on your profile. So this video is really important to understand those things. The first thing I'm going to talk about is the resume headline. You have to make sure that your resume headline is clear and crisp. Okay, so when I say clear and crisp, I'm talking about your resume headline should give a direct answer about what is your job profile, what's your experience. If your resume headline can give a direct answer to this question, then that headline is good. Okay, so what are the things you have to put in resume headline is the first thing is the total years of experience that you have in the industry. So for example, you have like 5 years of experience in Java development, then you have to mention 5 years. The reason I'm telling this is like recruiters will be searching profiles from a certain experience range, for example 3 to 5 years or 5 to 10 years. So when you put the total experience on the resume headline, they'll be able to understand what is your experience into. If they are looking for somebody who has 5 years experience, and if they see on the resume headline 5 years experience in Java development, etc., then immediately the recruiter, will be interested to click on your profile and view because you have 5 years of experience. The second important thing that you have to make sure is your resume headline answers directly to the question, what is your experience into? So if you are a .NET developer, what is your experience into? It's into .NET development, right? So 5 years of experience in .NET development. This is a good sentence formation for putting in resume headline. What next? What's the other things that you can include in a resume headline is, in a .NET development, you would have used various skills or technologies as well, right? So for example, in .NET development, you might have used ADO.NET, ASP.NET, Windows Forms, Web Forms, etc., and C Sharp. So you can put all those things as well on the resume headline, so that because the resume headline is the only thing recruiter will be able to see before he clicks on your profile. Okay, so if your profile, if you want the recruiter to click on your profile, you have to make sure that the resume headlines talks about all these three things. First thing is the total experience. Second thing is the answer to what is your experience into, and the third thing is your related skills to your job profile. What are the common mistakes people do on resume headline is they put their company designation here. For example, a Java developer might have a company designation called software engineer or an associate software consultant. You should not put those things in Naukri because a recruiter who is doing a resume search will not be knowing about what company designation is all about. He knows about industry designation. So you have to put a direct answer to what is your experience into. Okay. And I have seen many profiles, they don't put the proper name. I have put here as Marie Leslie Callistus. So you have to make sure that you put your full name here and you don't put anything else. I have seen many people putting resume or fresher, etc. So those things will not work. You have to put your name there. Okay. And second important thing is your current designation. Again, as I told you, you should not put the company designation as software engineer or business consultant, etc. You have to put a direct answer to what is your experience into. That is, a Java developer or a recruitment coordinator or a recruitment executive, etc. Okay. And total years of experience you can update here, and company name, annual salary. It's always better to put the annual salary as well instead of putting 0 lakhs and 0 thousands as I have done because I am not in an active job search. Okay, you have to make sure that you verify your phone number, email ID, etc., so that you get that 95% which I talked in the previous video. Okay, and these few things are very important: functional area, role, and industry. You have to make sure that you put the correct detail here. So if you see, I am a recruiter in IT industry. So I have put industry as IT software and software services, and my role is recruitment executive, and my functional area is HR. Okay. So if your functional area is into networking, you have to put that. If your functional area is into software developer, you have to put that. So you can, there is a drop-down list which is in Naukri where you update your profile. You have to make sure that you select the correct one over there. Okay. And coming to the next very important thing is key skills. So this is very, very important for you to understand what to update here. I have seen many profiles putting good communication skill, good business, analytics skills, etc. So you should not put common skills about yourself, like good, good in playing, good in singing, etc. Those are not the business skills that you have to update here. What you need to update here is these keywords or a key skills that is important to do your job. So again, I'm taking an example from IT industry. You might be a project manager. So what skill you have to put here is project manager, project management, and then what are the project management tools that you have used, those things. So I am a recruiter here, so I have put recruitment, IT recruitment, because I do recruitment in IT industry. And then I do sourcing, screening, job posting, mass hiring, volume hiring. These are the other skills which I have in related to my job profile. So I have updated that. The reason I'm telling this again is recruiters do a resume search with the key skills relevant to your job profile. So when you don't update those keywords on your key skills, your profile will not be coming on the top of the resume search. So you have to make sure that you put the right key skills over here. If you have queries about what does the right key skills for your profile, you can definitely comment below the video so that I'll reply to you. And the next important thing is profile summary. This you can update only 1000 letters on this. Naukri allows only 1000 letters. So you have to make short about your profile summary. When I say profile summary, it's not about your current job, what you're doing. It's about total experience, what's your profile into. For example, you have 6 years of experience in 3 different companies. You would have done different things, right, in 3 different companies. So you have to make a summary about all this job that you have done and put it over here within 1000 words. Okay, sorry, 1000 letters. And next is employment detail. Here the trick is, if you are a job hopper, if you have changed jobs very frequently in a short duration, then it's not advisable for you to put all the jobs over here, because the recruiter who see your profile will be thinking that you're a job hopper and you will not stay in their company. So you have to make sure that you update only the important jobs here if you're a job hopper. If you're not job hopper, if you're not changed job very frequently, then it's definitely fine to put all the jobs, all the companies over here. There is no harm. Okay. And coming to projects, project is updated by IT people most probably, because they do work on different projects. If you worked on different projects, then definitely add those projects, add the key skills that you have used on those projects. Okay. Again, IT skills. This is for IT people who has worked on different skills. They can put the version and the last due and what is the experience they have in that particular skill. So these all helps to get your profile on top of the resume search. And the next is education. This is also very important. Put your education rightly over here. And here comes the profile showcase. This is for mostly for the researchers or people who do research presentation in various papers, etc. So this section is for them. It's not necessarily everybody has to update here. It's not necessarily everybody has to update the project. I am a recruiter, so I have not updated in the project section because I don't do project. So, but an IT person will be doing project. He has to update here. Okay. So these two areas are optional for people based on their own industry. Okay. And coming to the resume, please make sure that you upload your Word document, not your PDF here. Okay. So that helps the resume to come on the top of the job. So, sorry, resume search. This is about the second video. Thank you very much for watching. So hope you like this video. If you have comments or if you have suggestions, please drop a comment on the video. And if you want people to know about this video, please share it on your Facebook page or in your Twitter. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.